Elon Musk explains one of his greatest phrases ever.
You consider the machine that builds the machine
Yes.
to be just as important, if not more important, than the machine itself.
Yeah. Well, what I mean by the machine that builds the machine is that the production, designing the production system of a new product is, I think, at least an order of magnitude or 2 orders of magnitude harder than designing the initial prototype.
Yeah.
I think, like in America, there's been less importance in modern times placed on manufacturing, and I think this is a mistake. But the designing of it is not hard. The making of it of even one is hard. The making of a production line that builds and launches many is extremely hard.